Hiker Jay here. This week I'm out at camp and I'm going to make a primitive style table up by the platform that we can use to put our stuff on and cook and set up meals and such. Now, this is our camp that we've had for quite a while. It's probably been 2 or 3 years that we've had it set up just like this. And I decided it's kind of time to add some elements. We certainly have these benches here and a fire pit, and we've cleared this space. We have those nice trees right in there that we use to hammock camp a lot. And we built this platform off of decking that we repurposed from a job my brother was on. And that deck's been great. We use it for setting tents up there when it's really wet. In the wet season, as you can see, we kind of flood over there. And have youth group gatherings, those types of things. But what we're going to be doing is adding some elements to this year, and I hope you kind of enjoy this series. First off, I'm just going to build a basic table over there and then wait for spring to really come. And then we're going to build a roof over top of our platform with some beams that we can hook in for hammocks. So we can simply just come out here, set up hammocks, and camp at any time and not worry about the weather. I think that's going to be pretty great. So when it comes to where our camp's at, we've got kind of more mature growth over there with a pine forest and such in that area. But over here behind, this used to be kind of an open field, and now we've just got a ton of little saplings that have come up from the aspens and different ones that are here. So I'm gonna go into this back area and I'm gonna harvest the wood from there. So this is the area that I was talking about. You can kind of see a lot of this little growth. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to find some trees. Like back in there, they're really packed in and just kind of choking each other. So I'm gonna focus on that space back there. So what I want to do is I'm going to use larger thicker diameter on this end and just go to skinnier just so that it's more level. All right, now I'm just going to take and weave it along each side. I don't know that I have enough cordage to do that today, but I want to at least get one side so it holds. Another day I can actually just wrap the other side. But this is pretty cool. Oh yeah, now we got a place to put things. Awesome. All right, so the last piece that I'm gonna put on here is this broken patio block that was sitting over there in the pile. And what that's gonna be is for a camp stove, so it has a nice flat surface to cook on. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy with the way that this went. I think it's gonna be sturdy enough to hold up to plenty of things being put on it. I really like the height that it's at for being able to work and cook and such. And I think it worked out hooking it to this tree. I had to wrap some vines around just so that it felt a little more sturdy. I thought about putting a piece of wood right here, which I might do, just to chalk it up as well too. So, and then I think next what I'll do is I'll put another little rack underneath so we can throw stuff underneath and store things there too. Maybe just something that we want to keep off the ground and away from things. But otherwise, I'm pretty happy. I just have to wrap this side once I get some more cordage. I ran out of that. I don't know if the 550 cord was the right stuff to use. I mean, it worked fine, but I would like something a little bit smaller and finer to work with. But it worked out just fine. I'm pretty happy with it. If you like this video, or if you would just please subscribe, that would be great. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy.